Hi, my name's Nick Phelan. I'm from Zephyr Transport Refrigeration, here on behalf of City Fleet Sitrak to present our latest offering. Our new range of heavy rigid refrigerated vehicles are currently being supplied in 3 different sizes. The first model is our 10 pallet model. This is on a G5 280 horsepower cab chassis 4x2, refrigerated by carrier with a Super 1150. The second model is the 12 pallet. This is on a T5G 330 horsepower, 6x4, fitted out again by carrier with a Super 1250 refrigeration system, and along very similar with the 14 pallet as well. The 8x4 T5G 330 horsepower, also with a Super 1250. The bodies currently come with 2 options for doors. We have a tri-fold rear door. If you're looking just for dock work, A to B transportation, single side and barn doors is probably the way to go. We believe that we've refined this down to a strategic price point which we think will suit small operators right through to large fleet operators. So by all means, please give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you.